Hello everyone. Today let's see the proof of theorem 7.8. That is one of the important inequality which is regarding with the triangle. The sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. Sum of any two sides of a triangle should be greater than third side. This is applicable to any type of triangle. So here one triangle is given ABC. Let's to prove AB plus BAC greater than BC. That is the first condition. That means sum of these two sides is greater than this one. Similarly, we can prove AB plus BC greater than AC. But at least here we are just going to prove only one condition. So in the similar way, we can prove the three conditions. Now, here let's do some construction to apply the previous theorems. Construction. Extend BA to D such that extending to here D such that AD is equal to AC. AD is equal to AC and join D to C. Okay, now let's name these angles 1 and 2. Here, okay, the proof we are going to give. In triangle ACD, AC equal to AD by construction. AC equal to AD by construction. If these two sides are equal, then the angle opposite to equal sides equal because it is an isosceles triangle. That implies angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Since angles opposite to equal sides of triangles. Okay. Now come to the angle BCD. We have now angle BCD is equal to angle BCA plus angle 1. Am I right? Angle BCA plus angle ACD. That means instead of that we are writing it as angle 1. That implies angle BCD is equal to angle BCA plus instead of angle 1 we can put it angle 2. Why? Since angle 1 is equal to angle 2. If it is BCA plus angle 2, that means something is added to angle 2, then obviously we can say that angle BCD is greater than angle 2. Because some non-zero values of angle added to angle 2, then we will get angle BCD, which means it should be greater than angle 2. Clear? Therefore, so what is the side opposite to angle BCD? The side opposite to angle BCD is BD. So BD is greater than the side opposite to angle 2 is BC. Clear? BC. From triangle BCD, okay. The triangle name we have to mention it. From triangle BCD, not ABC or this triangle. So we got it. BCD greater than angle 2. Because of that, from triangle BCD, BD greater than BC. According to theorem 7.7. The side opposite to greater angle is longer one. And what is BD? BD is actually AB plus AD. That implies AB plus AD greater than BC. Clear? Since BD is equal to AB plus AD. And also we can simplify this. We can convert this relation to AB plus what is AD? AD is equal to AC by construction. So replace this AD by AC. Then we will get AB plus AC greater than BC. Since AD is equal to AC by construction. That is what we need to prove. AB plus AC greater than BC. Similarly, we can prove AB plus BC greater than AC and BC plus AC greater than AB. These all conditions we can prove by drawing the appropriate construction. Okay, so this is all about the proof of this theorem. So this is the last proof in the chapter 7, triangles. So in the future videos I will discuss the proof of the theorems which are given in the chapter quadrilaterals. If you have any doubts, please put in the comment box so that I will do more videos regarding the topics which you need to know. So thanks for watching.